OpenLDAP service. From this lecture, you will be able to understand OpenLDAP service, understand Disk Quota. Hello. In this session, we will work on the OpenLDAP service and assignment of user disks for GIF.NET domain users. LDAP is a protocol that is designed to centralize various information, such as user information, application, system configuration, and PKI. Today, we will focus on the centralization of user authentication. First, install a package for OpenLDAP server configuration. Define URI value and search base for LDAP database search. LDAP security object is created through LDIF, the LDAP database interchange format. But let's use the migration tool to migrate the basic security elements, user elements, and group elements of the local system. From LDIF file, create DN, distinguished name, for the domain since it already exists. Install and configure CPU, change password utility for convenient LDAP user management. Create multiple users using Bash shell script. search added users. Now, install and configure the OpenLDAP client package to log on to the system as an OpenLDAP user. Configure NSS to bring user and group ID information from the OpenLDAP server. It takes some time to cache LDAP users, so be patient. Install and configure Quota Service to prevent possible monopoly of storage by certain users. Change file system mount option so that disk allocation can be used to home file system. Mount file system once again to apply the changed option. Create Quota DB to home file system. The grace period for soft block restriction is set to 5 minutes. Now, every user has up to 5 minutes of grace period, as long as it doesn't exceed the hard block restriction on home file system. For every user and domain, set 100 megabytes limitation for soft block and 150 megabytes for the hard block. A user has 5 minutes grace period for the 100 megabyte to 150 megabyte range, but the user cannot store more than 150 megabytes of data. Let's test Quota. Create disk images of 200 MB, 120 MB, 10 MB in /tmp directory. Log on as user 05 and duplicate a 200 MB image to its home directory. As you can see, only 150 MB was duplicated out of 200 MB. Now, log on as user 04 and duplicate images of 120 MB and 10 MB. Images are duplicated properly. Now, duplicate a 10 MB image after 5 minutes of soft limit grace period. You can see the 10 MB image was not duplicated properly.